Welcome children. Let's begin with our new chapter, that is the human body. Here in this chapter, we'll learn about different organ system of our body. We will come to know the functions of different organ system. Then we will understand the working of different organ system. Children, have you ever seen a construction site? It always begins with the one brick. When many bricks together combined, it forms a wall. Then many walls together make a room. When all the rooms are constructed, it forms a building. Finally, the building constructed. In the same way, our body is also made up of many parts. Do you know how? Let's see. Organ system of the body. Our body is made up of several parts. Each body part has its special function. Sometimes many body parts work together to form a special. Each body part is made up of tiny structures called cells. The size is so small that hundreds of cells can fit into a small dot. Cells of similar types together form a tissue. The group of cells form a tissue just like many bricks form a wall. Groups of cells performing a specific task from tissues. Different types of tissues combine together to form an organ. Many organs work together to form an organ system. Organ systems are also called body systems. There are many organ systems in our body that function together to make our body work properly. Our body works like a machine. These things all together form an organism just like a building. Till now we have studied that our body consists of many cells. Many cells, when it is joined together, it forms tissues. Tissues join together to form an organ. When these organs combine together, it forms an organ system. All organ systems come together, forms an organism. Let us learn about different types of organ system which are present in our body. Let's begin with the skeleton system. That's just how your skeleton system looks like. You can see in this figure. Touch and feel your arms, hand, chin and forehead. Do you feel something hard inside? This hard thing is bone. Students, do you know an infant has 300 bones whereas an adult has 206 bones? This is because some smaller bones fuse together to form bigger bones. The skeletal systems give shape and support to our body. It protects the delicate organs like heart, lungs and brain that is present inside our body. For example, skull protects the brain and rib cage protects the heart and lungs. We can stand straight and walk due to our skeleton. Muscular system. The muscular system is made up of muscles. An adult muscular system consists of over 600 muscles which are made up of soft tissues. Muscles that are attached to bones help us to move. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. These muscles cover the bones. Some muscles are attached to bones. They cause movement of bones, which makes the body move. Muscles also help us in walking, jumping, writing, sleeping, and running. Muscles have ability to contract and relax. What do you mean by contract? Contract means to make it smaller in size. Doing exercise daily makes our muscles strong. Digestive system. Our body needs energy to do work like running, playing, dancing, painting, studying, watching. Do you know from where this energy comes? We get energy from food. Student, do you know the food that we eat cannot be used by our body in the form that it is eaten? We eat food to get energy, but the food does not give energy directly. The digestive system breaks down the food that we eat into simpler form. The organs that help in digestion make up the digestive system. Digestive system is made up of the following parts: mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. The mouth has teeth to cut the food into small pieces and chew it properly. The teeth help in biting, chewing, and breaking of food into smaller pieces. The saliva in the mouth gets mixed with the food and makes it soft. This food can then be swallowed easily. The food pipe connects the mouth and the stomach. From mouth, the food reaches the stomach through this food pipe. In the stomach, many digestive juices get with the food. Digestive juices in the stomach mix with the food and form a paste. This food then passes through the small intestine, where it is digested completely. The useful substances from the digested food are absorbed into the blood, which are distributed to all the parts of the body through blood. Digested food goes into the large intestine and leaves the body through the anus. The undigested food that cannot be digested by our body goes into the large intestine. Here, water from the undigested food is absorbed. The undigested food is then removed by our body as waste through anus. Respiratory system. The main organs of our respiratory system are nose, windpipe, lungs. We need oxygen to stay alive. We take in oxygen through nose from the surrounding air and give out carbon dioxide. This process is known as breathing. The small hair inside the nose trap the dust particles from the air that enters in. The hair in the nose prevents the dust and the germs from entering our body. From the nose, air goes into the windpipe. From the windpipe, it goes into the lungs. Inside the lungs, the blood takes up oxygen from the air and releases carbon dioxide brought from the cell into the lungs. We breathe out carbon dioxide through our nose. Take a deep breath. When you breathe in, your chest expands. Now breathe out slowly. Does your chest expand or relax? Let us demonstrate an activity to show that our chest expands when we breathe in air. The air that we breathe in is rich in oxygen. The oxygen is carried by the blood to all the body parts. Oxygen helps in burning off fat from the food and gives energy. The air that we breathe out of the lungs is rich in carbon dioxide. We breathe 15 to 25 times per minute. We breathe 15 to 25 times per minute. We inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. We must always breathe in through our nose and not through the mouth. This is because the air present inside our nose can filter the air before it enters the lungs. We keep our surroundings dust-free and clean so that the air we breathe is clean. We should not cover our face while sleeping. Hope you all understand everything. Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.